Madam Speaker, the Ministry of Agriculture budget is $86.3 million to support extension services, research, product development, farm support, policy, planning and statistics, and infrastructure improvement, an increase of $4 million, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, Government will continue with programs for export promotion, food security, rice revitalization, and coconut development, and with additional programs to increase production of cocoa, vanilla, dalo, yangona, and potato. These will have a budget of around $12.3 million, including $2.5 million for farm access roads, agricultural extension services, and other area-based programs. Madam Speaker, we'd also like to announce that Government is very closely working with the RBF for a new and innovative project to explore the introduction of crop insurance in Fiji. In this regard, we are evaluating the Indian model of crop insurance, where the farmer and the government would share the premium cost for agricultural crops, such as sugarcane, rice, dalo, yangona, ginger, and vegetables. $350,000 has been allocated for these purposes in the budget. Currently, some actuarial studies will commence in the next few weeks in this respect.